If you love Nutella and cookies, you've got to try my Nutella cookie recipe. Just 3 ingredients and they only take a couple minutes to make. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hey, you're watching Preppy Kitchen, where I, John Cannell, teach you how to make delicious homemade dishes to share with your family and friends. These cookies will be ready in just a couple minutes, so let's get started. First off, set that oven to 350. You want it to be nice and hot because this cookie comes together in just a few minutes. All right, I'm gonna use 1 cup of Nutella. You could use any chocolate hazelnut spread in this recipe though, they all work really well. 1 cup is about 300 grams. I'll be using my scale. It's much neater than using measuring cups. So let's get 300 grams of Nutella into here. That's almost the entire container if you're using a 13 ounce. There we go. 1 egg into your bowl. I'm setting my scale aside for just a few minutes. Right now we're gonna beat the egg into the Nutella so it's nice and smooth. Really mix it in nicely. This Nutella has everything your cookie needs. It has the sugar, the chocolate, the hazelnuts. It's gonna be so delicious. Back to the scale, we need to add flour, specifically 3/4 of a cup or 90 grams. Don't forget to zero that scale out. Our scale is done. Now we can say bye-bye. Mix the flour in until just combined. Just like with making a cake, you don't want to overmix the cookie dough, so you can mix until almost combined, like I am. Finish the batter off with a spatula. Just fold in any of the dry bits and don't overwork it. When you're done, the dough should look basically like chocolate fudge. It smells amazing. Get a cookie sheet out, we're gonna scoop it and bake it up. You can use parchment paper or a silicone mat to line your baking sheet. Anything's gonna work really well. We're gonna scoop out roughly 1.5 inch balls of cookie dough here. Give them a quick roll if you want. It's not a must, but it helps them have a nice round shape when they're done baking. This recipe is so fun because you could add chocolate chips, nuts, a dash of salt, a little bit of vanilla. Almost anything will work in this cookie and be really delicious. If you want to make this recipe without using the egg, you can add half of a really ripe banana and mix that in. Should hold it together just fine. Last ball, all done. Pop this into the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. After your cookies bake for 10 minutes, they're gonna be glossy and amazing, just like fudgy brownies. But let them cool down for a few minutes so they set, because they'll totally fall apart if you pick them up right away. These guys are just cool enough to eat though. Before I dig in, don't forget to check out my cookie playlist. Basically perfect, I'm gonna eat all of these. That is fudgy chocolate amazingness. I'll see you in the next video.